Let me talk to you guys while I touch up this lipstick. Wealth building is about generosity. It's about giving back. Same how this lipstick is about serving all kind of looks and all kind of vibes. When you're on your wealth building journey, you are serving as well. You are helping to serve the communities you care about. That means as you're making your money, make sure you're also supporting charities that you care about, your church, taking care of your family. Maybe it's putting your nephew or your niece through school. Make sure that the wealth building journey is bigger than you, that it's bigger than where you're coming from, because it's a journey. You start, you hand over the baton to the next generation, and they continue pressing and paying forward. That is what we want. As much as this lipstick here is on and popping, we need to be on and popping with our finances, and we need to be on and popping with making sure that the future generations are set. That's what it's all about, people. Thank Fenty for this, because serving looks.